Welcome to the video on remote assessment. In this video, we will explain you the examinee instructions to be followed while scanning and uploading your response. In view of the current pandemic and lockdown in the country, we would be conducting this exam as a remote assessment, on contrary to the designated test centers, as in the earlier years. This change is to allow you to give your exam from the safety and security of your home, without the inconvenience of travel. To ensure that the exam can be successfully completed by you from your home and using your system, we have enhanced the overall exam process to provide a seamless experience. The key objective of this process is to ensure that your system is checked and configured as per the needs of taking this exam remotely. In case of any issues arise, the same will be resolved in the time allotted, post which you will appear for a mock assessment. Please ensure you have stable internet connectivity throughout the assessment. Point to remember: the duration of the examination will be of 2 hours only, and the remaining 30 minutes will be given for scanning and uploading of a single PDF copy of the response sheet. The examination process must be completed in this given time. Let us now quickly understand about the browser settings and login process. We recommend you to use Google Chrome as your browser for best experience. Access the URL on the recommended browser from the system you are going to use for taking the assessment. This is the candidate's login screen. Enter username as your roll number. Enter password as your roll number. And then, click on Login. Click Online Assessment tab. On this screen, you will be able to see the name of your online assessment under Current tab. Select Current tab. And then, click on Launch. Note: enable pop-ups, if prompted. Next, read the instructions carefully and tick the instructions checkbox, and then click on I am ready to begin button. Once you click on Launch button and have read the general instructions, you will then be moved on to the assessment console screen. Questions will appear on the assessment console during the exam. Answer the questions displayed on the console, using the A4 size paper as response sheet. Preferably use a black pen for better scanned results. Ensure you respond to the questions within 2 hours. Important points to remember: a new question should be started from a new page, response sheet. This is the format which should be used on each response sheet. The A4 size paper response sheet shall have maximum 12 sheets. 12 sheets should be written on one side only, and should be numbered as page 1 of 12, 2 of 12, till 12 of 12. Additionally, the assessment console also displays information such as exam instructions, section instructions, candidate profile, exam timer, and so on. The profile section displays the photo, name, and exam ID of the candidate. Note: the allotted time given to answer the questions on response sheet is 2 hours. The typical assessment console contains the following areas: question area. Displays the questions. In the question area, use the scrolling arrows to move down and up to see the questions. Next, important is the question paper button. Click on the question paper button to view all the questions at once. Once you click on the question paper button, you will view all the questions all at once. Use the scrolling bar to move up and down to view the questions one by one. Now, how do I upload my response sheets? We will now view the steps on how to scan and upload your response sheet using the Response Upload feature. Note: the time allotted for scanning and uploading the response sheet is 30 minutes. Please scan written pages only, not the blank ones. Scan each response sheet. Convert the scanned response sheets to a single PDF format. Save this file on the folder on your desktop or laptop. Click on Add File to browse the files on the system and select your response file. Click on Save to save the uploaded file. Lastly, submit your assessment within the allocated time. Here are few key points for you. Ensure the response sheets are scanned to a single PDF format for one single upload, and it should be uploaded only once. And lastly, ensure the assessment is completed in the allocated time given. With this, we complete the video on how to scan and upload the response sheet. Wishing you all the best for your exams.